Hi, my name is Lena. So a few days ago, I found this folder in my computer that says first day of trucking. And I put some clips together so we can see together how my first day as a truck driver went. I started trucking 4 years ago, and these are the clips of that time. So let's look at those together.
Hi, my name is Lena and I'm going to be a truck driver.
So in here we can basically see that I am going to the construction site. It was a road construction. It doesn't seem like really busy street, but it actually is. It is in the kind of city of Tallinn. Thomas in here says that I gotta drive past them and then go in from the back side, and he says that I can choose which way I can come. I said that I could come like on the side, but it doesn't matter anymore. So I'm gonna drive past the yards from here. And here I asked that if there is a lot of cars behind me, because when you're in road constructions, then a lot of little cars will stop as you stop and just drive behind you, and sometimes it can like get a lot of problems. And here I say that I will come inside backwards. So yeah, I am backing up in here. Okay. Thomas says here that I gotta turn around and go next to him. He is waiting for me, but it is kind of narrow place, so I kind of have to like go a lot back and front and backwards to get next to him. He says that if I get my load out, I can go frontwards outside, so I don't have to like turn around again. I'm struggling with the gear. Like I couldn't get the back gear in, so I had to do it with both hands. Like the truck that I'm driving in here is the same truck that I'm driving right now. We haven't changed the truck. It's a pretty good truck, but I will probably do like a small like overview of the truck on some other video. Yeah, with both hands again. Thomas says that if I want to see the front end of the truck, then there's a mirror for that. And I'm not going to reply because I know that. Okay, the beeping sound that you are hearing is because probably my door is a little bit open. That's why it is beeping so much. I think I'm almost done with the turn. Mumbling myself to something. I cannot get the gear in. Just to notice, it's not the car's fault. It's because I'm not used to that gearbox. Thomas said that he's going on the side, so I can go next to him. It says that I need to come closer, but I'm not that good at it. So I'm gonna go like right past him and then go backwards near him. Okay, the job that we were doing was taking the asphalt on the street and yeah, we're just taking the asphalt part away and getting that to the top so they can start like digging out the base of it, base from there, and then making it a new road. But our job was basically only to get that asphalt out of there. That was what we were ordered to do. In here I am going to go and take the asphalt to recycling. Like in here I'm still struggling with the gears. Like I couldn't get the gear in, so that's why there is such a big gap between the cars. In the driving school, all the cars are automatic, but our car is manual. So I kind of didn't know anything, or I didn't know how that manual gearbox works for trucks, because like in regular cars, I know how to drive like manual, but I don't know like with the truck, I didn't know on that part. So from here I had like to go down, and first on the left I kind of didn't know where the file was exactly, but I knew that I had to go in, and the first one to the left, and there I should see that, and I wasn't kind of sure where I had to go. Like first on the left, and there's like this huge factory truck coming in front of me. I think I even panicked at that moment, like I didn't know where to drive, because when it's winter and it's snowy, you kind of don't know where you can go off the road, because there can be like a ditch, or there can be like a really muddy area, so you kind of don't want to go off the road when it's snowing. So we both hands again. So here I'm gonna just put my load down. I'm mumbling myself that I don't want to get stuck, but I don't think the problem was like that big on that place to get stuck, because it is like the limestone factory where I'm taking this, and there's like limestone underneath underneath my tires. So I just unlocked everything and started like lifting the back end. So okay, from here you can see that it came halfway down. There's have to like come a bump then that you can hear, and there it was, to see that everything is down. I'm gonna just like that. Oh, it was in such a great place. I'm really worried at that point, I think. Okay, so now we're gonna just head out of the factory land. Like the roads in different places, different like these factories are kind of bad, but when I'm looking at this one, then it seems like really good one. Sometimes they can be like really bumpy. It seems like this road is like a great one to drive. And we are out. Like up the hill, the little house that you will see is like a checkpoint where they kind of check all the cars that go in and come out. Like I know that they had called in the check house to say that I am taking the asphalt there, so they didn't stop me. And here they can see that I don't have anything on my truck, so I didn't have to stop. And I am moving back to the construction site. Oh, in here, you can see like my hand, it is totally cramped because I don't know exactly how the gearbox works. So I'm kind of struggling to get the gears in and changing the gears. Like in the gear, I have 4 upper and 4 lower gears and the middle ones. And I have like this little switch on the gear, I don't know how it's called, gear changing, the stick that works as a clutch. So I don't like basically have to put my foot on the clutch to change it. I can change it on the wheel on here. Like you can see how I push the button with my finger. So yeah, this was basically my first work day. I struggled a lot with the gears and with the measurements of my car, but it was kind of fun. I was worried the whole day. I think I even came back from the job and started crying because the pressure was pretty big. But overall, it was like really awesome. I'm really happy with that. So yeah, I hope you liked the video and see you on the next video. Bye.